How's it going, you guys? Vermont Tool Company. We got the best VIM item, the Impact Dual Swivel Pinless Adapter, part number DSPA200. Made in Taiwan. Let's take a look and get this wrapping off and unbox it. Little oil stains on there. That's just to protect it from rusting. Oh, look at that. Nice foam tray to put it in your toolbox. Awesome. DSPA200. You can find this and a lot more tools on our website at vermonttoolcompany.com. Each one of them are individually marked with their part number as well. Here's the little 1/4 inch one. 2114, 212, 238. Great. This is great, you guys. You can find this on the website. Go and get yours now before they run out.